Here's everything that's included. Step-by-step hands-on video training, look over the shoulder as we set up a business live in a day. How to find a hot market and what to sell. How to research products that sell during COVID-19 and beyond. How to sell existing products you may already have. Where to sell from and going live with your own payment system. How to find hungry targeted customers who want to buy from you. How to drive unstoppable traffic. Everything is revealed in a step-by-step blueprint. All you need is a laptop. This covers everything on finding the best products or services to sell. It's for beginners, experienced business owners, or anyone looking to sell or start with affiliate products. If you're unsure what to sell, it provides knowledge and a step-by-step process. We cover different online business models, market research tools, product creation, finding winning products, and online selling principles. We focus on creating an automated sales machine that operates 24/7, taking payments and delivering products while you sleep. Our step-by-step guide helps you start selling to the world within a few hours, with no prior experience necessary. We cover everything, including setting up and launching your products, installing a payment gateway for automatic payments, building customer loyalty, and optimizing your sales machine for maximum profits. The section is a must-have for driving unstoppable traffic to any product or service. Follow the principles in this course to gain maximum exposure and traffic for your online business, even during the pandemic. Learn paid advertising and free traffic strategies in just hours. Discover the 6-figure traffic blueprint, profit from organic traffic, master paid advertising, create a loyal audience, and implement upsells and downsells. We know that you are going to need the right tools and resources to fast-track your success, which is why we have created and giving you all the resources that we use to achieve over 7 figures in sales. You will be using the same resources and tools we use, so you will have the inside track on everything you need. Module 1, Choosing Winning Products. Module 2, Choosing the Right Platform. Module 3, Let's Get Live. Module 4, Traffic.